What's up everyone, this is Rakesh here once again. Welcome to the session of Oracle SQL. So guys, in our last session what we have discussed the view. Now what exactly we are going to discuss in this session? So in this session we are going to discuss the synonym. Yes, that is a topic which we are going to discuss in this session. So let's begin. So guys, what is synonym? Synonym is nothing but it's an alternate name of the any object. Object can be your table, a view, or your procedure, or anything. Okay, so that is nothing but your synonym. Now why required this synonym? Synonym required because we do not want to show your original table or view or procedure or function. Okay, so that's the reason to create the synonym. The name itself indicate it's an alternate name of the any object. Okay, so that is nothing but your synonym. So I hope you have understood what exactly the synonym is. Now let's understand how exactly you can create the synonym. So this is how you can create the synonym. So this is nothing but your synonym. So guys, I hope you have understood what exactly the synonym is. Now let me summarize, let me repeat what exactly it is. It's just a second name or alternative name of the table. So that is nothing but your synonym. Now let's go for the syntax. Now let's go for the practical. Let's see the practical example of synonym. Over here you can see I have written some piece of code in order to create the synonym. So let's understand this. So over here you can see I have written create and replace keyword. Okay, let's understand this and then later on we will jump on to the rest of the code. Okay, what exactly it means? It means create the synonym. This means replace the synonym if synonym exists with this name. Okay, so this is what it means. Now over here I have written the public. Public means create the public synonym which is visible to everyone or every user within this database. Okay, over here I have written synonym means it's a synonym. This is keyword, just simple. Over here this is the synonym name and this is the for keyword and this is the for which user and for which table I am creating the synonym. So this is what exactly meaning of this code. Okay, and this is how you can create the synonym. Now let's run this query and let's see the output of this. So I have created the synonym successfully, and guys, if you are not able to create the synonym and if you are getting the insufficient privileges, then please log on to the system user and check this permission or give these permissions. Okay, then only then you will be able to create the synonym. So let me come back over here. So I have created the synonym over here. As we have already discussed, synonym is nothing but it's a just alternate name of the table. Okay, or not only the table, it can be for the view or sequence, procedure, anything. Okay, so this is alternate name of the any object. I can say that more generic sentence. So let's write the query for the synonym. So as you can see on their screen, this is the query I have written in order to select the data from the synonym, and this is seems like same exactly employee table, but the only thing is that over here the name is different and over here the name is actual table. If I will delete this table, then this data will be invalid. Okay, so this is the thing you have to take care. Now if I will delete the synonym or drop the synonym, then there will be no effect on the employee table because employee table is the original table and this table only having the data. So there will be no impact if I will drop the synonym. So this is the thing you have to take care, but vice versa is not possible. Means if I will drop or if I will delete the data from the my table, then it will be get affected on the synonym. So this is the thing you have to take care. Good. So guys, since I have created the public synonym, so I can select the data from the other user. So this is my sys user, so from sys user also I can select the data. But if I will create the private synonym, then I won't be able to select the data from the system user. So let me do it. Let me remove over here and let me create the synonym with 3. So I have created the synonym with the private. Now let me over here select, or let me try to retrieve the data from the private synonym. So I won't be, because this is not visible to system user. So this is my system user and this is my HR user. So from the system user, I won't be able to select any data from the private synonym. Okay, now here one more thing I would like to discuss over here. So which is, can I perform the DML operation on the synonym? Yes, you can perform the DML operation on synonym, but the thing is that you should have the privileges. So let's say for example I have this, let's say for example I have let's say for example this one. Okay, let me update this one, this row over here and over here, and let me write over here, select, let me show you the data first over here from employees. Salary is equal to 30,000. Okay, so let me show you over here. So over here you can see 13,000 is salary. Now I want to update this salary. Okay, so how I can do it? I can do it like this. I want to update with the some 100. Okay, so I can update over here. Let me commit over here. Now let me show you, there will be no data over here. Now let me retry 101. So over here you can see. So since I have privileges to update the actual data, so that's the reason I am able to perform the update statement or DML operation on this synonym. Okay guys, so this is the thing you have to take. And guys, if this video helps you in any ways, then don't forget to share this video in any of the relevant Facebook group. Thank you so much for watching for the video. Bye, take care.